What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu. We got to talk about this. Is Shiba Inu going to continue to crash harder along with the whole crypto market, or will Shiba Inu break from the crypto market kind of like it did last time? So we're going to talk about this today. Definitely hit that like button and subscribe if you like these Shiba Inu videos. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. Let's get straight to it. So the first thing I want to talk about here with Shiba Inu is the fact that everywhere you're going inside the crypto market is down. Like any kind of crypto you look at is down. The whole overall crypto market is down. And all articles is just FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt about everything going down. This one says Shiba Inu price signals mayhem in the market as bears aim for new all-time lows. And that's exactly what's happening. The bears are aiming for all-time lows here. Over here, you can see a break below the 0.00000750 could just justify a short entry targeting point to the 5 area. So I'll just say 5Z5 to be, short 5 zeros and 5. But anyways, this area at that 5 area is pretty much going to be a very good support for us. But if we go down below that, then everything's just going to break loose. But anyways, invalidation of the downtrend is a breach at 950. So right now what we're seeing is Shiba Inu is at the 868 area. We are kind of getting rejected right here. So if you look at that, you're seeing Shiba Inu is getting rejected at this top area here. And this is pretty much one of those supply and demand areas. Like the red areas always say, supply and demand of less demand, and then you got the green areas being more demand. So there's more demand in these green areas, indicating that it's support, and the less demand in the red, indicating that it's resistance. So pretty much what we're seeing here, we're slowly trying to go back over here to the support, maybe to build more momentum to try to pass this resistance up here. So that might be what we have to do, just go back down a little bit, just so then we have that momentum to get past that resistance. But right now, that is definitely an area for us to look at. It's definitely an area of concern, somewhere around the 910, 920 area. But yeah, I'm definitely seeing that there's going to be some problems getting past there. And I remember, this is just the 15M chart. We could look at it from other perspectives as well. This is the short-term chart. But even looking at it from long-term, we still have a lot of resistance ahead of us that we have to try to get past. Like all this red area, remember, red is supply and demand of less demand. So if there's less demand in all these areas and it's such a large shaded red area, that kind of indicates that it's going to be hard for us. And also you see there's a lot of buying pressure that just now came in Shiba Inu. You can see here on the oscillator, and then coming over here from the red area, there was also a lot of selling. But look, if this is what our major buying looks like for Shiba Inu right now, there's usually always a selling point that comes after you see big buying coming in like this. So even though it doesn't look too big right here on the chart, it is really big on the oscillator because that was a huge movement for us. So you're probably going to see that buying going back down to a little bit more selling. So like I said, you're probably going to see us pulling back to our support that I was talking about previously. And that support is pretty much right over here. So let this load up a little bit. And this is pretty much what it's going to look like. That support is going to bring us back down to this area. We had some support there earlier today, and we ended up, using it as a support, another leg up pretty much. We used it as another leg up after our support. And now you're kind of seeing us getting rejected at that resistance and using the same support as what it's supposed to be used for. It's going to be that support that gives us the momentum to get across this border, if you want to call it that. But yeah, there's a lot left here for the juice for us to get past. But anyways, let's go back over to the 4-hour chart. So one thing I also want to mention here is this, like, overall the major support. So I talked about the minor support that we were looking at for like the last few days, which isn't too big of a deal. But when we look at the major support here, the major support brings us all the way down to that 760 area, and that's the upper support area. And then the lower of the support is going to be bringing us around to 740. So if we get down to these support levels and we go below there, then we're going to hit another all-time low. So pretty much what I mean by that is in like the whole overall crypto market. If we get all the way down below that area of 760, you're probably going to end up seeing Bitcoin at 18 to 15K, somewhere around there. And that's just being honest. You're going to see that coming. And if that happens, then I think that could be like where the bottom is. I don't know if Bitcoin can go below 10K, but that would just be crazy. But anyways, let's go over this article a little bit. So over here, it says Shiba Inu price continues to lose value as the bearish decline shows no remorse. On Wednesday, the SHIB price trades at 0.0000777, and the bulls are effectively establishing a doji candle on the 2-day chart. So practical traders seeing this signal will likely stay away from the self-proclaimed Doge killer, as they call it. But more risky traders may be enticed to open a short position and aim to partake in the next slide. So we actually may have some traders coming in and trying to, trade on SHIB here, but we have a lot of points that we need to watch out for here in SHIB. And you can see the support here that they're talking about around 799, somewhere around there. And then we have some higher resistance areas. But right now, all we got to worry about is the support, because that's the area we're going. We're going down, let's be honest. Even though we just now had a jump inside the crypto market, that right there is just the bull trap. Let's be completely honest. We have so much bad stuff going on in the economy. We're probably going to see another crash inside of crypto. So this is really just a bull trap, and that's really what you want to prepare for. You want to prepare for these bottoms, so then when they happen, you can capitalize off of them. Just like if you're able to get back in here at the 754 area. Now we're probably projected to reach that area again, but actually a little bit below that area. So buying exactly at the area may not be the best place to buy it. Maybe it goes below that area. So averaging down is also a good strategy, but planning when you should start averaging down is also an even better strategy. So you're not buying at too high of prices. So right now it's definitely a good price to get Shiba Inu. It's definitely really cheap. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but I think that Shiba Inu has some more room to go down. So there could be more buying opportunities. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'll say it a million times. And as always, I'll be back with another video.